protect you from pain. Kune season ozongena kuyo kulonyaka ulalele uNkulunkulu. Jesus. Ulandela uNkulunkulu. Yes. Ungase kuba nomqondo ukuthi angeke kube lukhuni ngoba ulandela uNkulunkulu. So there are seasons where obedience yakho will lead you to a moment a painful. Jesus. Ngoba ngilalele uJehova ngilidelwe ku moment a painful. I'm not saying a season. I'm saying a moment that is painful. Because we exaggerate as Christians. Go to a moment city season. Ukuthi nje kwenzeka episode A1 city season azathi umuntu ngisehlane lami kanti you are in just one episode. Kwenzeke into eyodwa lindo umuntu angakhona ukwendlula kuyo asafarishe from what we call being nostalgic abelokhu ayilanda into uJehova sekayilaphile. Yalazo hlobo olwake lwalimala bese libamba amascars every time yakhala. Yalazo hlobo bese libeloku lilivuselela lento uyanazi kwenzeka lana azayinwaye ize ivuke. Abanye abantu bayishaya izivuke into nanoma ipain yakhona ingasekho bayilande. They make an episode, expand it into a season. So obedience yokulidela eyintweni ezipainful whereby people will not have pity. People will not be empathetic when they look at you. They will not sympathize with you. It's your moment. It's your what? It's your moment. And the obedience, I protect it from pain. Because faith does not mean you will be spared from pain. Yes. It means you will remain standing during and after the painful season. Now, if the sentence is peculiar, you know what? My figure lento eshaya umakhelwane waba ne depression. Ifike kimi ngaba ne direction. So lento ebulele abanye ingiphilisile mina. The flood that drowned many in the time of Noah lifted the boat of Noah. So to okubulala abanye this year, funa mina nawe kube kusenza njani? I must remain standing. I must remain standing. I should be the last man standing. Yeah. So that was something ability 1,000 on your right, 10,000 on your left, but no disaster will come to you. It's not that you are not in the battlefield. You are in the battlefield, protected by the fellowship with the Holy Spirit and the grounding of your faith. Yes, was to on your left, on your right, but say on your left. Shouting la when zega kona la bua kona band nami ni kona. So having faith doesn't mean I'm exempted from the war. It means I am thrown in the war, but I am covered in the war. Ni something what I'm feeling. Ni nesi takota mfigeleki. Asa tutafite no mangambe koti lo tunsi lo kufa angiwe saba so le tunsi lito no kufa kukhona namathambo abantu abafile nawo ke nawo anjani apho kodwa naku okungikhazayo uthi lo you are with me. So now my focus is not on the bones when I'm in the valley of dry bones. It is tempting to look at what died when you are alive. It's all about you. Kulanga phakathi kwakho mawuthi ungena endaweni ubona izikopho ubona abantu abafile uba tempted ukufuna ukuzwa istory sabazalwane abayeka ukusonda kaProphet uyeke laba abasonda khona. When usuka ufuna abamathambo abafa basonda kaProphet abekho ngapha ngapha uyatempteka ufuna ukwazi ukuthi abayeka bayekiswa yini. And little Bible vele abanye bophelelwa ngamandla lithi isizwe sinamandla siyophelelwa ngamandla kodwa bamethembayo hayi Prophet akade bathemba umthandazo lithi kodwa bamethembayo uJehova lithi they will mount up with like eagles. In church you survive when you trust in the Lord. When your helper cometh from there. So it means I will remain standing. So, I hate to be the bearer of bad news on the first Sunday, but Ulonyaga, you will be misunderstood. Unabantu bazokubheka so akakuqondi. Futhi babulise. Babulise ukuthi abakhona uku-understand. Not because you are wrong. Not because you are doing something wrong. Because they don't understand you. Kunabantu abalwa nawe ngoba baku-understand. Kunabantu abamelane nawe ngoba baku-understand. Hayi ngoba wenza into embi. Ngoba abayi-understand le ndlela zakho and ziyakusebenzela. Yes. Athi pride ibenza bangafuni ukubuza. Ibenza bafuna ukukuhlasela. Kulo mnyaka bazoku-misunderstand. Usekhaya ngenze usonto uyi-1. Uwedwa ukholelwa kuJesu. And abakuzwa bonke because ukholelwa kuJesu. And bababelo bakubheka bonke malanga. Uzwe noma nihleli esithi ngizomnika. Ukuthi le ndlela yami yokukhonza abayizwa labantu laba. Le nto engikholelwa kuyo abayizwa. Bona basifunela lokho abasifunela kona. Ungamlahli uJesu just because ekhaya bakamvumela. One day I went to another restaurant. It's not that expensive. A cappuccino. Ngifike cappuccinos ahlala phansi. Athi cappuccinos bakunikeza ama drinks. Kune menu sesiza laba abayibogisi. Kune menu. Angithi phela uyajola kodwa uyazi table for 2. Uyakhala kodwa. Unomuntu othandana naye kodwa ifork and knife angakena ibamba le. Umjolo njalo ngenazimbali. So lo wathandana nomuntu akasakuthangana njalo yasemandiyeni yaka Ahmed ye plastic. Kodwa usemathandweni. Jolana sinamona. Hayi sinamona. Uzimisela ngomuntu akazi wakuthengela ngisho nakama friend wakulandela nje igwinya elinearch. So makufika lapha unikezwa ama menu amabili. So yokudla ngapha bese ama drinks. So hlala phansi ngabuka lama drinks. Lama drinks lapha kukhona konke. Kukhona sekubuka ukuthi wena asikho thina. Uwe nalokusevayo. Asazi thina ukuthi ulapha. Ungayi-order wine uyiphuze. Ungayi-order beer uyiphuze. Cappuccino ke Charles inama lendlela yokuhlala uyasithenga. Uyangena nje uhlale phansi inhloka ivela kusenandosi lapha. Nonke ushobela ushole phansi ungakwathi khona into ngimixa kuyo. Uthi shop ungaphuza udaka. Uyobona abantu suphuma. Ukuthi hayi mambana beyisela. Mangoda lapha sidwele ngithi kubo can I have still works without bitters? Ngoba bitters ungathi utshwala. Awufama bitters kumabhola nje kubili kula na uphuza ungathi utshwala. Solo Greek. Angithi sazi squeeze. Kodwa baba uzoyilungisa lento kulona. Yes. Nathi without bitters. Kodwa sisi hayibo awuphuzi. Nathi no angiphuzi. Hayibo. But awuphuzi. Like serious. Utshwala bomnandi kangaka. Nathi angathi njani? Angiphuzi. Ngabona lokusibona sisi umuntu amangala. Kuthi hayi. Ngoba ngaphuza. Unayo imali yokuphuza ngakahle la. Bathi akafuna ukwenza njani? Usendaweni right esitekile ukuthi angaphuza. Kodwa ukhetha ungenze njani? Because I was misunderstood. Misinterpreted. I didn't bend. Ngise hayi man unikeze sengikutest. Kulonyaka kunabanye abazwa misunderstood bese ba compromise. Lo esikulo you will be misunderstood but misjudge but misidentify. But I bengikamthi uyaphuza thatha le istropes ayibabi le nto mnandi test nawe hayi and fire you will be misunderstood. When you have faith you will be misunderstood. Because faith knows the way, but it doesn't know the system. It knows the way. Faith yazi ukuthi sifuna siphumela. Hayi la ufuna siphumela. Ukuthi siyofika njani lela siyakhona. Nasithi iBhayibheli, faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not yet seen. So if faith will show you this is the way, but faith ayiyazi kahle le ndlela ukuthi injani, but iyazi ukuthi indlela ile. You know when you're doing something under the altar of faith, you know. Uyazizwa na ukuthi wena ukhole ngo-apply kuphi la. Once you do anything in faith, mama karato, into ezowenzeka ile ukuthi you be misunderstood. Ungathinki. Ngifika ngithi ngumprofeti kodwa amafutha anginawo ngiwadayisi. Ngikhuluma nomuntu athi mfundisi bengicela efonini bengicela nginemali mangabe ama products unawo bengicela ukuthi umkhuliyele uwalethe kimi onke ama products wakho. Ngathi mina unamalini wayibeka imali engaka ngathi Nkosi ngiyayidinga kodwa anginawo ama products. Ngathi baba angifemba ngiyena umprofeti wama products wathi awusadala mfundisi awuthi ngiyofuna omunye la manje usukuza ukuthi ngabe bekumalini. Yabo ngibeka i-example so vele wonile ku-example usukuthi ngabe bekumalini ngeke ngiyeke imali bengamhlanganiseli bese ngiyaphonsa lento. You will be misunderstood. A lot of people hate me because I don't have products. But always but no prophet unamandla kana yiki into anganginikeza yona ngihambe la ekhaya anginayo. Package products solutions solution yamu Jesu abona kulila bacela ukuthi iyophela iservice ngiyobuza boAsha ukuthi amafutha akatholakala kuphi or isiwasho sakhe. You came to the wrong place. Angazi hayi ngoba ngeke ngikhona ukusenza ngingasenza sisebenze futhi but that's not me. You will be misunderstood. Don't bend when you're misunderstood. Emsebenzini abantu bajola nabantu. Uwe wedwa onganayo ujola na emsebenzini. Phela amen phela sonke. Phela wavele emsebenzini nabantu engijola nabo emsebenzini. Abelo bakubhanisa nje isiko. Abelo bakubhanisise no njoba ngibuyela nje manje into yoba haga yona. Uyombamba uzungamyekele esikuda bengikukhumbulile. Ngenenjani onyake. When you are misunderstood ngoba unayo umuntu othandana naye emsebenzini kungathi ngoba songena kulo nyaka bese uyatshintsha ibambe khona ibambe osista abanye babhema manje babhema naka bathi ihabli bo bathi hayo kulolu gwayi lo inikotini oyifaka lapha iphezulu kwale engena nestick bona lo muntu omunga naye le pipe une herpes. Lo muntu omunga naye le pipe awumazi ubuya phi. Mazi ubiyeke ukukabulana nobani. Na ubona ipipe libekwe phansi nje. Ngiyadonsa nawe uyadonsa. Nizofa. And thina sinamavesi okungqwaba. Mangaba wabala amasuda amamnyama eza la ko10. Lo shot noma ngaze kube nomngcwabo ulandelane whole week. Ngabe lokumkhumula nje ngifaka you will be misunderstood. Why am I bambi vape? Lento lena in a flavor. Intuthu lena indawo intuthu khona la yakhona. Yona khona la iya. Maybe ifaka ukuthi izophuma yonke. Khona la ihleli khona namanje. Uyasiza ukwehlala njani? Asiza ngathi uyitheki manje. Asiza ukuthi mawulela. Something is in your lungs. Something is in your what? Now, there's a lot of people who are pain at the job. We don't want to come to the person. As I'm not what we are kubera. How man this because it's addictive like. Bahamba batlonyak. Nichelila pangapala online. Ka Facebook if you don't follow me, go follow me. Apaka Facebook ni balendo online prophecy ya disiya ukuthi bantu ngeke babulawa isibhamu lonyaka. Abantu abaningi oqedwa ilezinto ezahlanyelwa during COVID. Because sasihlele endlini ihabli dabigale bablikale kuphakama kuleso sikhathi leso baphuma COVID abantu bebaphefumula nzima balanda eninto from 2022 go researcher yaqala yathengwa ungazi ukuthi kuthengwa ama-ships everywhere you go yabhenywa nabazalwane bayibhema nalento ye-vapor le hamba emnendleleni bantwana bethu but hayi akusokulona ugwayi lolo yinicotine lapha nizohamba. Charles mina angikhulumi nento engiyibona esibhedlela ngikhuluma abantu abafonela mina bathi mfundisi I have to confess bengibhema nento nayi amaphaphu wami ngicela ungithandazele lo muntu amaphaphu sekane yumonya sekufuna aphile ngepipe elibolokufaka kudrain amanzi so kuyoba uwe kusasa because number 1 uhlala emayini wena yangizwa ngosi wena number 1 uhlala kuphi semayini la noma ngabe uyafuna noma ngawufuni le dust evela le dust evela le uyayizwa noma uhleli mangabe ungayizwa awubese uvakashe uphume nje uthi ngiyabo KZN uthi ngiyaphuma ngiyalebo Bloemfontein uyawuzwa lo moya uthi ayikhona lo moya ufresh ngapha kodwa mawubuya ngapha uyeza la ukuthi yabona la semayini la wena ungakazi waphuma vela uyizwa lento ngikhuluma ngayo awukaze nje wathi nje kudonsa nje kancane awujesa ngakuset on fire. This year you will travel, this year you will number 1 this year you will be misunderstood ukwamukele kusaqala unyaka yangizwa mos this year you will be number 2 this year you will be criticized yangizwa mos this year harshly you will be criticized kunabantu kulonyaka lo who will criticize you kubeka wena ube nomoya phansi yangizwa mos ungakwazi ukuzidefenda uzoba criticize this year bantu ba criticize uzuyeke ngemva kwalo bese bakuhleka ngitshela abantu abashadile ukuthi ngeke kube nabangani abangashadanga ushadile ngoba your single friends will make sure that you become single like them. So wahamba ubuza nje abantu abangashadile wena ushadile bakutshela ukuthi shiya lo muntu amadoda vele izinja akanayo ngoba yena bayangasethi indoda bekasetha inja I don't understand. Bekangafuna indoda bekafuna ini ngeke ukuthi amadoda izinja wadibana nendoda swai angikhuluma isiGreek manje omnyakeza ukuthi ungena ngapha phuma ngapha kodwa ngitshela iqiniso manje ngiyakuzwa manje kunabanye abantu abazokriticize for being good for being I told you ukuthi kunabanye abantu bathi mawuthi uposta into yakho enhle bangasho next kodwa ungaze uthi bese mshado wami kuneyinkinga. I'm telling you 14 wabangani let's do a get together awusixoxele kahle sizomhlanganyela hayi ukuthi bafuna ukuthi nimhlanganyele bafuna ufane nabo mase kuphelile mamshaba bazothi awu wena walashwa indoda ngeke bathi washiya indoda bazothi engangitshela wena walashwa. That's all. So abanye benu here you have good things before you but you are comparing it with what you had. That's the problem with you. So when they criticize you, most people they criticize what they love for themselves but they don't love for you. Abanye abantu abakriticize hayi ukuthi benzani bazonda ukuthi abanayo lento wena onayo bebazifunela ukuthi ngathi ngaba eyabo wena ke bese uyabalalela nawo avele nami ngiyayeka mina ngizoyenza ngoba vele ngathi izongifakela imali mina ngathi ngicala into bangenzi next month bangashona mina ngathi ngiqala ukufuya abantu bathi ufuyela ini bazona banikela ngathi shoda ngihambe ngiyofuya bathi kuba bafundisa bese ngifuna inkomo lana ngifuna nembuzi ngifuna ukuqala into ye farming ayina mali mfundisi ngiya powerful man forget farming forget business focus on ministry ube full time ngathi okay ngathi uyabona yazi bengayiboni kanjalo baposta inkomo zami mfundisi bengicela yodwa hawu uthi amasanga ngene farming mase ngicela ukuposta inkomo ngiposta imbuzi hawu mfundisi angiphe one yazi esinama Easter hawu sayifuna imbuzi yami manje yini ungicriticize namanti ngiyayenza. So abanye abantu will criticize you this year because they really want to do what you are doing but they can't. So bazo criticize abantu this year awuyekele lento yakho ukuyeka so ungalili abanye bani good for ukungala 2 minutes ngiyekile mina awuna ngiyeke ngifaka imali. I'm telling you, I was talking to another millionaire ngamtela ngathi I need just this business, just this one But no, that has to do with waste. I can't give a man of God this, that. No, now I'm not a man of God. Now I'm not a man of God. Now I am a civilian. I want to make money. Forget my title. Lana ngizofuna imali. Yazi ukuthi mafuna imali wenza njani? Wena uphethele ukuthi hayi sontweni mina ngu-Asha bazothi nje sengibutha sengibhizi ngikoleka idoti nje ngithatha idoti mina. Mina ngayikoleka ba. Laphola ngeke ngibe nenkinga nama-overall. Mina laphola ngabe ngiyibanga ngithi ngabe ngiyikoleka ngiyazi ukuthi le tracker yami yangikhokhela. Lokuthi nginetracker ekoleka idoti noma ngayidrayiva yina kulayisha abantu engisebenza nabo ngemuva bathi umfundisi wahamba ngeloli yedoti kodwa mangiyothenga abathi imali yedoti mangiyothenga nangingena nje esitolo sengigqoke impahla zami akakho ukuthi le mali uyithethe ngathi luka idoti ATM yangena nangifaka ikhadi ATM yenza njani imali yaphu wena kuzibambelela bakritisayizile wayekela yalahleka imali ubroke manje siyaqala ke this year ayikho into esiyikhethayo ayikho into lento le umsebenzi wami lo uzonifakela imali kuphela sizwa. Number 3, you will be mocked. You will be they are mocking you. But as long as the prophet marching yakho ikujabulisa wena qhubeka udayisa amawivu as long as the prophet marching yakho ikugqulisa wena yenza njani I'm telling you namakula siyahleka ongamalanga awahleka kodwa uthenga kuwo I driver or driver. Oh my friend, you are here. Go back to your country. Can I have bread? 20 rand. Can I have cold drink? 25 rand. We are telling her, hey, go back to your country. What the man is share good? What the man is share ban? Papa. Papa umdomnya. Yenza jani? Ngiyakuvusa ke namhlanje. So you will be mocked for doing something. Mina ayikaziyaba khona into engihlazayo. Mina as long as ngifakela imali. As long as ngifakela ini? Noma ngathiwa kubhukudaka. Inganqoba ngalinyaza iloku yaphansi. Kodwa kube i-energy nginayo bengalishaya. Manje lapha anza kwethu ngeke. La I go 4. Number 4 short. Ngithi 1, ngithi 2. Beka phansi. uJesu wathi hambani niyobalanda. But nangabe lokho uyakhona ukwenza, apply your energy. Put your energy to it. Do it. Any cause or into ongayijoyina this year i-plumbing. Yenza kwethu lento yokufaka ama pipe le. Abantu yokufaka ama pipe namanzi. Namashawa nanani kwa pipe omncane omngaka amathuthu bathi 8000 ukufaka kusuka la kuze la 2.5 ukwenza lokho ufaka nje isinki yala 3.5 yabona into plumbing ngena ukugijima hamba futhi ayikaduri lapha eWitbank hamba uyifundele bese ufike khona. I'm telling you nakamasipala ungena ukugijima nakamasipala ungena wenza njani because balungisa ama pipe balungisa plumbing has money but they will mock you but they will now you will be resisted you will be kulonyaka uyavela bathi nangilo aka prophet anisiyeke nina ngiyangizwa mos yeah they will resist you but continue do what that's God. Faith will not remove opposition but it will outlast opposition. Let me say that again. Faith will not remove opposition but it will outlast opposition. If your faith only works when people clap, it will not survive this year. Ngikadile. Yabona ukukhona bakho mangabe kusurvive abantu babashaya izandla. Khululeka ngeke kusurvive kulonyaka lo. Yabona mangabe kulonyaka lo ufuna ukuthi bawenza into bathi wow. Buza la. Ngeke bathi wow. Namanje after lento siyenze lapha eMakaos sishumisa intuthu ngale ndlela esishumise ngayo.
Oh yes.
Lapha eMakaos.
Oh yes.
Akumnandi.
Yes.
Manje akumnandi manje lento siyenze la akumnandi akakho thi wow athi nje So kwesibone this year. Na 2023 nasho njalo nje. Sangena. Na 2024 basho njalo futhi. So kwesibone understand? Sangena. Na 2025 bathi uyayifuna bakhawa sibathi yawe ifunele this time around. Senza njani? Sangena. Nakulo nyaka futhi. Othi iphinde sithi mina nganza kwethu mawuhamba nami angeke kwenzeke singawini. When you join this church, you are joining the winning team. You are joining the winning team. Sekubuweke ukuthi usafuna ukudlala noma ufuna ukuwina. Bafuna ukuwina kodwa ngifuna uhlale la. Ulalele ulandele uzobona. Thina lana sibe lokhu nje. Bathi sila ubona sinabuthi pulpit njani manje angishaya nokuyishaya ngoba hey. Uzobona.